Hello guys. This compressor for refrigerating or freezing meat in supermarkets and in huge markets. So this compressor they need to change its oil, Freon oil from R22 to R404. So you have to read all the rating on the machines and the motor of the compressor and follow the setting or the manual. It's like you are doing a huge maintenance or big maintenance. You replace the Freon, you will need to drain all the fuel, all the Freon from the tanks and recharge with the new Freon. This refrigerator cool until minus 20 degrees, as you see, minus 20 degrees, very cold. It's very important for meat or chickens and the supermarkets. So you will drain, you will need to lose or open this tank, the blue tank, and drain the Freon. You will drain all the Freon from this tank and from the pips connected to this tank. Drain also the other tank, which is in the back, the green one, the blue one, and the green one. These tanks you will drain from the old Freon R22. And this compressor also, this body, you need to drain it from all the foil. So after draining the tanks, you need to push air through compressor, another compressor for maintenance, to be sure there is no old oil. After doing this, you will close the end of the pips and push or fill with the new Freon, which is R404. One note, it's very important. The old foil, which is R22, is working on the pressure of 220, 250, while you need to reset through this device the new pressure to be 300 till 330 for the new Freon, which is R404, to work accurately. If you don't reset this pressure from this device, this one, the system will turn off automatically. So no problem, but you will reset this one to from 300 to 350. It will working okay with the new Freon. So please subscribe in the channel to get every important video you upload, and press like if you like it and share it with others. So we need to reach 20,000 subscribers. as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible.